What's up, you guys? It's Ben, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So for today's video, I wanted you guys to think about Christmas. Now, you may be thinking, Ben, at the end of the day, we're not even in June yet. What on earth are you talking about Christmas? Well, from my personal experience, guys, Amazon FBA, the timelines on Amazon FBA go very, very quickly. And the truth of the matter fact is, guys, when it comes to Q4, everything starts to get rushed. Everything slows down at the end of the day. Everything gets delayed. So in my personal opinion, you should start thinking about Christmas. Now, what do I exactly mean by that? Well, a couple of things. Number one, think about sorting out your finances. Get some money together for bigger, larger orders coming up to Christmas, because I can tell you from COVID, from the increased demand in online shopping, the shipping times are going to be increased even further. And because of that, you may not get your products in time to sell as much on Christmas as possible, because the last thing you need, guys, is not getting the products in time and therefore missing out on a ton of sales during Christmas. Okay, the second thing I want you to think about is storage. Okay, in the very beginning right now, if you're just got one product, you may be thinking storage is not going to be an issue, and you may potentially even store majority of the products at your own house. But you have to think a little bit further down the line, and during probably around Christmas time, you may already be on 3 to 4 products, and therefore start looking around for potentially storage units, or start thinking about where you're going to store your products coming closer to the end of the year. Because at the end of the day, guys, Amazon, as you can see, are now pushing its sellers to store as many units of products as possible in their own facilities. They do not want to be buried full of stock that is not selling anywhere. Okay, this is something that you guys have to think about right now, as opposed to postponing it maybe even after summer, because then, in my personal opinion, things may start be getting too late, because everybody's going to be making these big orders. Everybody's going to be starting looking for storage units, and everybody's going to be rushing to post as many products, new products as possible on Amazon to sell during Christmas time, when the demand is at its highest, and it has been the case every single year. And then last but not least, guys, you need to think about the product itself. Okay, because think about it, if you order a product in the beginning of summer at the moment, some products take about a month to manufacture. Okay, so that will take you up to July. Then products take about 2 months to 3 months in terms of shipping, especially with all the delays at the moment. That will take you up around towards the end of September already. Now we're approaching Q4, but what about listing the product? What about ranking the product? What about getting the appropriate reviews and appropriate amount of reviews to make sure your product is on the first page? That all takes time. Okay, with Amazon, everything takes time, but everything moves very, very quickly at the same time as well. So think about all of these things, guys, because the last thing you want to be in is having quite a few products coming in to UK, but you're already missing out on quite a lot of sales. And usually the sales start around mid-November right up until Christmas Day. This is when majority of customers will be shopping online, on Amazon, on eBay, going to the high street retail stores if they remain open, to buy all of their Christmas gifts. And you really want to be ready, stocked up, have your products listed with reviews on the first page by the 1st of November. The 1st of November is when you should have everything ready, because November and December in most cases will be your best months of the year. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really just wanted to give you some food for thought. Please let me know what you think about this, what you think from your experience. When should you start thinking about Christmas? Because that's exactly what I'm thinking about now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.